Qtec daily chart shows that the trend factor down one was okay support, stopped the mini downdraft here, and the disqualified momentum down for 50% and 100% is in no danger of becoming qualified for today. Same thing with the trend factor down one. And the QQE fast at 68.20 came down off of 70. It was above 70 for several days. And the DMI plus and DMI minus narrowed a bit on this mini downdraft, but still pretty well above each other. And the ATM fast trigger down is still below the oversold 25, pointed down a little and in the red, so it could be down there for a couple of more days. And the slow trigger down at 89.55 is still well above the overbought line, and the pressure down is still pegged up at 102, and no P alert. I think one did actually show up during intraday when the close was below the momentum down, I believe, and then a P alert down showed up but then went away as it went back above these levels. And the Qtec daily cloud chart shows price did close under the conversion line these past 2 days, getting closer to the channel 3 low and lower Stark band here. So it's closer to the lower Stark band than it is the upper Stark band. And sheer momentum did bring the 50 simple moving average in gold 149.64 above the 100-day simple moving average in blue 149.40. And it looks like the lower Bollinger Band is racing up to be support. So there's the baseline, the 50-day simple moving average, 100-day simple moving average, and the lower Bollinger Band. And the S&P 500 daily cloud chart shows that price still has not made it past 4607.07 to print the D wave up wave 5 and is having severe difficulties qualifying, let alone confirming this up magnet for relative retracement. Get this qualified and confirmed for the magnet, then we'll set our sights on the closing high from the all-time intraday high bar 4793.54, and zoomed in you could see it blew the confirmation bar here on the 24th, and then again over here, then it became qualified again but no confirmation bars, so that's knocking at the door 3 times here just about. So it had better qualify and confirm this, or we're probably more than likely going to head back under it. And it will be qualified at end of day with a close higher than this close for today on the 6th. And in the S&P 500 daily chart with the bands showing here, another ongoing supply line has printed, so there's 2 of them there, and their levels for today are at 4598.99 and 4599.13, and that adds to the resistance of the weekly ongoing supply line at 4498.75. So formidable resistance, and if it jumps up above that today for a straight up close above them, then it will become qualified, and the ongoing demand line became qualified yesterday. So if it closes higher than this level here, 4578.65, then that will be qualified cancel, and that would be a good thing, as we certainly want to stay away from a qualified demand projection down here somewhere. And to do that, it would have to open lower, close lower, and tick lower than everything on this bar here. And above those ongoing supply lines are the Bollinger Band, the Stark Band, and the Channel 3 High, all right together pretty close. And price did close underneath the conversion line, but it looks like in the pre-market hours that price will make it back above it. And the conversion line is at 4568.32, and it's close to getting the chance to qualify cancel the demand line, which is at 4578.64, so it's 4 points under at pre-market hours. And price closing is closer to the upper Stark Band than the lower Stark Band, a little different than in the Qtec. And the Channel 3 low is right there also for pretty good support, along with the Bollinger Band mid-band. So formidable support here. And the 50 simple moving average in gold is nowhere near crossing above the 100-day simple moving average, unlike the Qtec, which already did. So if it gets past the 100-day simple moving average, there should be really good support down at the baseline and the 50-day simple moving average, along with the sell TDST, the new floor for major support, and the Bollinger Band is getting close to that too. So this is a nice area if it ever makes it down there, and that would be a good buying opportunity zone in here.